Om Namah Shivaya. Today I have come up this video for a reason. Now we are all in the threat of pandemic Corona. So how to overcome it without any medicines, or how to make a shield against coronavirus? So to some extent, we can think of some spiritual methods which has been used by our ancient pandits and gurus. So let us discuss a little bit about that. So to coming to that, let us first see what is aura means. Aura is nothing but a mental, emotional or spiritual form of energy surrounding our body. Our body means surrounding all living things. When we are alive, that field, that shield is already there with us. So from head to toes, that field is already covered. So when a bacteria or virus enters to our body, so it has to fight with that aura to get into our body. This continuous fight is going on, and when virus or bacteria or pearls, it enters our body. So how to overcome that and increase our energy level, aura? So today let us now try some small tips. So first of all, we will start with the Om mantra. I expect all of you please chant with me the Om mantra. Just see the energy flowing from the head to toes. When starting with the Om, you inhale the breath, and while ending the Om, exhale totally, taking your stomach inside. Just try again. Feel the energy flow. Now just try to feel the energy flowing from top to bottom. Just concentrate on the top. Then slowly with Om will come to the bottom, to up your stomach. Concentrate first on the top. You feel the energy now? See, next from the stomach, you let the energy flow from stomach to top to your head. Concentrate on your stomach. Inhale. Make it 3 times. Oh. Just feel the energy flowing and feel the difference. Now let us go further. I'm sure you might have felt little bit aura, energy flow. What is the flow of energy? So this is the first. So before that, you need to do some pranayama, all these things. But second, once again, I would like to give you a real magic of aura. So if you really do it with me, see this mantra, really you will feel the magic of aura in your body. So before you do that, I suggest you can check your temperature, and if you have a BP apparatus or any such, you can check your blood pressure, and if you have an oximeter, you can check your oxygen saturation and pulse before doing this and after doing this. The very first thing what you experience is, you should not think about anything else. Think only about what the mantra is. Then mantra will work out, then the magic will work out, the aura will flow the energy. Let us start with the mantra. Today we are going to chant the most powerful mantra. There is no other mantra more powerful than this. So someone may think that this mantra is to escape from death. Absolutely no. This mantra is not for escaping from death. See, death, birth, rebirth, all these conceptions are different than this mantra. But this mantra will make you definitely your energy very high, and you yourself feel above some level. So the name of this mantra is Mrityunjaya mantra. There is no other mantra higher than this mantra. So at this corona time, I think it's better for all of us to chant this mantra 108 times. So the best time for chanting this mantra is morning 6 to 7, or early also you can do, and evening you can say at the time of Sandhya, means 6 to 7. So now I will tell you how to chant this mantra. So once we are concentrating and chanting the mantra, you will not come to know how many times you are doing the mantra. So it's better always you should have a real count of number of chants. So for that you can have a Rudraksha mala or any bird or any type, garland type. So with this we can start the mantra. So I will tell the Mrityunjaya mantra once, so you can listen. Always any mudra like Chin mudra is better for flow of energy. So we can start once. Trayambagam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarugamiha bandhanan mrityormukshiyamamrita. This is the mantra. I will chant once again. Om Trayambagam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarugamiha bandhanat mrityormukshiyamamrita. Om त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिह बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. This we can continue chanting by just releasing one by one pearls like this. Then one time if you complete it, the locket of this will come. So you will feel that and you will think that one time, if it is a 108, one time is enough. Or if it is half, you have to make it 2 times, then only 108 will come. Normally it will be of 54. So you have to make it 2 times, one time full and again one time full, then only 108 times of mantra. Definitely if you complete 108 times, you will feel the energy flow and real experience of aura. I hope all will try this, and if not, again you can try and just comment me for this. Om Namah Shivaya.